So guys, welcome again to this channel. This is Roti, the legend, aka the kingpin, only in Alright, today we are in Sega. We are here with a working tractor. We want to change the clutch plates, and then also we do the setting of the clutch plate because the owner has been telling me that the gears have failed to engage. So that means there is a problem with the clutch system. So we just want to work on it, and then we see how it works. When we talk about the clutch plates and clutch system, this is what we're talking about in this working tractor here. So we're gonna open this one, do the setting here, and then everything will be okay. Stay tuned. So guys, after removing the top cover of this clutch disc or clutch plate, so we are going to remove the top cover from the disc, and then we see what we have inside. We see if the discs are placed very well or set very well, then we return everything together. Safi sana. Sasa so guys, when we talk about the clutch plates, these are the ones. So these are the new ones, and then there is this one. Hii hawabadilishangi, naona hii hapana badilisha. Hii ni chuma inabaki ndani, sasa hata ile tafanya. So this one, you don't change this one whenever you're buying the clutch plates. These are the only things, these discs, these are the only ones that will be changed, supposed to change. But for this guy, he just bought the complete set, so there's no issue. You can still keep this one in the house. In the meantime, we will continue using this one here. Okay, so let's begin returning them back one by one, and then we see how it goes. So guys, after removing all the discs and everything that we have checked that is okay, so this disc has two ways. You can see this side seems to be flat, and then this side there's a spacer, you can see. So this side is the one to be the first one to enter. Put it like that. So, and then you take your metal plate, this one, now bring it, put it in like that. It has areas, it has where you see it has grips, I mean 3 parts of it. And then after putting that one, now you can bring this one. You see the first one we did, the spacer was the one facing outside, so we will do the same thing with this second disc. Put them inside like that. Make sure they enter properly, holding on to those grips. So it's now tight enough. And before doing all that, make sure that you tighten this one, these bolts here. Make sure the nut enters inside. This one is the locker, but this one is the one to tighten the tension. There are 3, 1, 2, and 3. So these are the ones, after you have already installed the disc, these are the ones to give you the setting on how the way efficient the clutch is going to work. In the meantime, let us return the cover. Weka tuone hiyo cover yetu baba. Angalia hizi shimo zinaendana na ile ingine. Angalia shimo ndio ile hapo. Shiko namna hiyo. Sasa chukua manati zetu weka. Weka hapa chini. So So guys, after installing the disc, and we've also the cover, so we come back here, we release it from this. You can see it's now free, so we are just tightening it. Usikaze kwanza na hiyo spana kabla hujahakikisha zote ziko tight. Hizo mafingers zote ikiwa iko tight, basi hapana, weka spana hapa. Sasa weka kwa spana kwa nje. Hizi zenye zilikuwa umeacha nje, hizi sasa ukishaweka hizi, unaona? Ikishafinya namna ile. Haya, sasa weka spana hii yenye umeshika hapa ndani. Alafu chukua ile spana ndogo ile, lock nayo sasa. Angalia 13, hii ni 12. 13. Haya, sasa hii ndio itafunga, sio hii. Hii ni kushika ile ya ndani isizunguke. Sawa sawa? Kaza sasa. Enda kwa next. Hapo. Hapo sawa. Hiyo iko sawa. Twende next, huko chini kabisa. Acha nikufinyie hapa ndio kuje. Ndio hiyo ulikuwa unataka? Haya. Safi sana. Safi sana. So sasa hapo maneno ya setting tumemaliza. Sasa utakuwa unaletanga grease. So guys, what I'm saying is that after tightening those nuts, so you make sure that they're all tight. The inner nut you tighten with the hand. You make sure that this finger here, this one, holding to the clutch, to the bearing, I mean, if it's holding the clutch, the bearing properly, then that means it's enough. So you just bring the spanner to tighten the outer one, the outer nut. So after there, you now come and then you do the adjustment of this one. You now install the rear cable. Make sure that it's in this one here. So you check if it's entering properly into this position here. And if it is not entering properly, then that means the cable is too short. So you have to release the cable from this side here. So you just have to loosen that nut down there like that. And after loosening it like this, by turning it round, so it becomes longer enough to fit behind. So you can see there is a space in there. We still have threads inside, and also we have enough threads outside. So this one is a locker. So after you have confirmed that the cable is now fitting properly here, you now lock there, and then you put a lock over here also. So that's all about this tractor. So stay tuned and see if we try it when the tractor is running. Weka reverse.